A battery is an energy source consisting of one or more electrochemical cells which transform chemical energy into electrical energy. A battery consists of two metal plates known as electrodes and chemical called as electrolyte. For example, let us take a dry cell which we generally use at home. A dry cell consists of zinc metallic container without protective coating in which electrolyte manganese dioxide paste covers the graphite rod separated by separator. The graphite rod connected with upper end of a cell act as positive electrode and metallic base zinc acts as negative electrode. Let us see how battery works. An electrolyte consists of positive and negative ions. This electrolyte exerts a chemical force Fc on these ions and makes them move in a specific direction. Based on the nature of the chemical, positive ions move towards the plate called anode and negative ions move towards the another plate called cathode and gets accumulated. Accumulation of charges occur till both the plates are sufficiently charged. At this point, ions in the motion experience another electric force Fe in the direction opposite to the chemical force Fc. The magnitude of electric force Fe depends on amount of charge accumulated on the plates. The chemical force Fc is stronger than the electric force Fe. Fc is greater than Fe. When accumulation of charges is sufficient on plates, then ions will travel towards their respective plates. The chemical force Fc is equal to Fe. When accumulation of charges is sufficient on plates is equal to the electric force Fe, then there will be no motion of ions. The new battery is at the stage where ions in the electrolyte are under influence of a balanced force. Suppose the battery is connected to the conducting wire, bulb and a key. Potential difference is developed between the ends of the conductor. This potential difference creates electric field along the conducting wire. The direction of electric field is from positive terminal to the negative terminal in the conductor. When the key is pressed, electrons present in the conductor get attracted by the positive terminal of the battery and move towards it. As a result, positive charge on this plate decreases. Therefore, electric force Fe becomes weaker than the chemical force Fc, and the chemical force Fc pulls the negative ions from the positive terminals towards negative terminal. Because of stronger repulsion between negative terminal and negative ion, the negative terminal pushes electrons into the conductor. Hence, the total number of electrons remains constant during the current flow and the process continues till electric and chemical forces attains equilibrium.